In early 2026, the French aerospace company X721 introduced a revolutionary stratospheric drone known as the Heliblade, which is poised to redefine high-altitude surveillance and atmospheric research. Inspired by the natural aerodynamics of a maple seed, the Heliblade utilizes a unique monocopter design that allows it to spin and glide at an altitude of approximately 20 kilometers. Its architecture consists of wings attached to a central structure by an 8-meter tether, harnessing centrifugal force to maintain stability and prevent structural deformation. Weighing less than 3 kilograms despite its 14-meter wingspan, this ultra-lightweight vehicle is designed to bend, but not break, making it one of the most resilient and cost-effective platforms currently entering the stratosphere. The Heliblade serves as a sustainable alternative to traditional satellites. Operating as a high-altitude pseudo-satellite (HAPS), powered entirely by solar generators mounted on its wings, it can remain stationary over a specific region for months at a time, providing constant observation that orbital satellites, limited by their revisit times, cannot match. This capability allows it to monitor an area of roughly 500 kilometers in diameter with a resolution that often surpasses space-based imagery, because it produces no CO2 emissions and leaves no space debris. The Heliblade is being hailed as a green solution for 2026's environmental monitoring needs, including tracking coastal erosion, air quality, and illegal gas releases. Military forces and security agencies have shown significant interest in the Heliblade due to its inherent stealth and persistence. Its minimal mass and unconventional flight path make it incredibly difficult for radar systems to detect or for traditional anti-aircraft measures to target. Beyond defense, its potential applications range from preventing maritime piracy and managing disaster response for wildfires and floods to precision agriculture. Interestingly, the design is so efficient that experts are already considering its use for planetary exploration on Mars and Venus, where its ability to operate in thin atmospheres could provide a new way to map those planets from above. As X721 prepares for its first fleet of test flights in 2026. The project highlights the critical role of modern technology in solving old problems. The drone's flight software relies on machine learning to master the complex physics of hovering and three-dimensional navigation, a feat that would have been nearly impossible without recent advances in artificial intelligence. With production expected to scale up to 4 units per month following successful trials, the Heliblade is not just a scientific curiosity. It is a strategic tool that offers a permanent low impact, eye in the sky for a world that is increasingly focused on both security and environmental preservation.